Welcome to our program of Regional Political Profiles. In this edition, we explore the political landscape of one of Australia's most unique states, Tasmania. Known for its stunning nature and strong colonial history, Tasmania has a distinctive political dynamic that is often different from other states. How is the government structured? Who are the key actors in local politics? And what are the strategic issues shaping public policy there? Find out more in Tasmania's political profile.
Tasmania is one of Australian states that has a parliamentary system of government within the Australian federal framework. The system adopts the principle of liberal democracy and the Westminster Convention, meaning that executive power is exercised by a government accountable to Parliament. Tasmania government consists of three main branches: the executive, legislature, and judiciary, which function independently of each other within a framework, checks and balances.
The head of state in Tasmania is the governor, who is the official representative of Queen Elizabeth II as Australia's head of state. The governor has ceremonial and constitutional roles, including giving royal assent to laws passed by Parliament, opening parliamentary session, and swearing in the Prime Minister and cabinet members. In practice, however, the governor acts on advice the Prime Minister and Cabinet, except in certain situations of constitutional crisis where the governor may exercise reserve powers. The head of government in Tasmania is the Premier, who is usually the leader of the political party or coalition of parties that has a majority of seats in the Tasmanian House of Representatives. The Premier leads a cabinet responsible for the implementation of government policy and the administration of the state.
The Tasmanian Parliament consists of two chambers, the House of Assembly and the Legislative Council. The House of Assembly consists of 25 members elected through a proportional electoral system in 5 electoral districts. Each electing 5 members. The Legislative Council consists of 15 members who are elected individually from different constituencies and serve staggered terms. This two-chamber system serves to ensure oversight and balance in the legislative process. The House of Representatives has the primary role in the formation of laws and the establishment of government, while Legislative Council serves as a review chamber that can propose amendment or delay the passage of certain laws.
As part of the Australian Federation, Tasmania has autonomy in managing state affairs such as education, health, transportation, and regional planning. However, some areas such as defense, foreign policy, and taxation fall under the authority of the federal government. The relationship between the Tasmanian government and the federal government is governed by the Australia Constitution, which provides a clear division of powers between the federal and state levels.
Political parties in Tasmania are generally offshoots of Australia's national parties, but there are some unique characteristics that distinguish the state's political dynamics. The main parties active in Tasmania include Australian Labor Party. The Labor Party is one of the largest political parties in Tasmania and Australia in general. It is center-left and focused on social issues, welfare workers' rights, and sustainable environmental policies. Labor has often been the governing party in Tasmania, especially in recent decades. 2. Liberal Party of Australia. The Liberal Party is a center-right conservative party, emphasizing free market economic policies, a reduced role for government in the economy, and policies that support business and investment. In Tasmania, the Liberal Party is also a major political force that competes closely with the Labor Party in elections. 3. Australian Greens. The Greens have significant influence in Tasmania, more so than any other state in Australia. The party focuses on environmental issues, nature conservation, climate change, and social justice. The Greens' presence in Tasmania is strong enough that it is often decisive in the formation of coalition governments of parliamentary support. 4. Independent and other minor parties. In addition to the major parties, there are also a number of independent and minor parties, MPs, who play a role in Tasmanian politics, particularly in Legislative Council. They often play an important role in balancing power and providing a critical voice to government policies.
That's an overview of the political system and government dynamics in Tasmania, a state with a strategic role in Australia Federation. But politics is only one side of the story. Beyond these formal structures, Tasmania is also home to unique facts people, from exotic natural treasures to unusual historical heritage. Let's take a deeper dive into some interesting facts about Tasmania.
Tasmania is not only interesting in terms of politics and government, but also has a number of unique and interesting facts that are worth knowing. Australia's largest island, Tasmania is Australia's largest island and smallest state by population. With a population around 540, the capital is Hobart, which is also the second oldest city in Australia after Sydney. Unique biodiversity. Tasmania is known as a native habitat for many species of flora and fauna, found nowhere else, including iconic animals such as the Tasmanian devil, which is a carnivorous marsupial endemic of the island. Natural beauty and world heritage. Much of Tasmania is still dense of forests, mountains, and protected national parks. Tasmania Wilderness National Park is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its outstanding natural beauty and ecological value. Equal political representation. Despite having much smaller population than other states such as New South Wales and Victoria, Tasmania has the same number of senators in the Australia Senate, 12. This reflects the principle of federalism, which gives each state equal representation in the federal parliament regardless of population. Colonial history and Aboriginal culture. Tasmania has a long history involving the Palawa Aboriginal community, who have inhabited the island for thousands of years before the arrival of Europeans in the 9th century. Their culture and heritage is still an important part of Tasmania's identity.
Tasmania's government is a clear example of parliamentary democracy within Australia's federal framework, with the governor as the symbolic head of state and the prime minister as the head of government exercising executive functions. The two-chamber parliament ensures a democratic and accountable legislative process, while major political parties such as the Labour Party, Liberal Party, and Greens play a central role in the state's political dynamics. Tasmania is also known for its outstanding natural resources, unique biodiversity, and rich history and culture. These fascinating facts make Tasmania not only important in the context of Australian politics and governance, but also as an ecologically and culturally attractive destination.
Tasmania is more than just an administrative territory in the south of Australia. It is an island of strong characters, characterized by a stable political system, a vibrant democratic tradition, and incredible cultural and natural wealth. From parliament to the mountains, from public policy to endemic species, Tasmania presents a unique blend of modern governance and sustainable environmental heritage. I hope this profiles provides a fuller understanding of Tasmania's role and identity in Australia's nation landscape. I'm Zalfa, and see you in the next edition.